Hey guys, here's how I make colorful photos for the sports bras I DIY and their patterns without using Adobe Photoshop or Canva. Starting by taking a screenshot or a photo and then importing it into Photos on Windows PC. I save it as a black and white image, then I open it up in Paint. I turn it into a black and white image so it's easy for me to clean up the background as well as the inside of the sports bra. Now using the bucket tool to pour colors isn't effective, so I have to use an eraser to clean up the area I'm going to fill with a bucket. Since the sports bra is white right now and my background is white, I'm going to need to draw a line to keep the two areas separate, just as a border so that the color doesn't bleed. Another way I fill in quickly is by using the drawing shapes tool, and then I make sure the shape is filled with a color. I also use a pencil to change the color on individual pixels just so I can have a really clean finish. Then I also use the eraser and save the background color as the color I want so that it fills in easily. Then to change up the colors, I use the bucket tool, which is now useful because everything is cleaned up. I need different colors because I'm going to use the colors as codes for the sister sizes for the sports bra pattern I'm making. For custom colors, I open the edit colors section and then pick out the color I want and then pour it in using the bucket tool, and there I have a custom color. To save the file, I save it as a PNG and also change the name to the color I've used. That way it's easy for me to find when I type search, because I have multiple files, so it's nice to be organized. I also use the curved line tool for curved seams. This will be the outro image for the Eternal sports bra. I have a QR code inserted so that you can just take a screenshot and use your QR app. I'll be adding links to the description box below so you can download these free sports bra patterns and sew yourself a sports bra. Keep sewing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.